Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome to a journey through time and imagination, where ancient myths and stunning landscapes blend seamlessly to create a world of wonder. Today, we're exploring the rich tapestry of the Arabian Peninsula, revealing 9 must-see attractions that will capture your heart and inspire your soul. So, buckle up as we unravel the stories behind these beautiful places to visit. Our adventure begins in Jordan, with the breathtaking city of Petra. Known as the Rose City for its pink-hued stone facades, Petra is a marvel of engineering and artistry. Legend has it that this ancient city was built by the Jinns, mythical creatures with magical powers. As you wander through the narrow Souq, be prepared to step through time into a world of wonder. Next, we immerse ourselves in the vibrant chaos of Souq Waqif in Qatar. Here, the scents of exotic spices and the vibrant colors of traditional textiles create an intoxicating atmosphere. It's a place where stories come alive. Every corner holds secrets of traders from lands afar. What to do in Saudi Arabia as a tourist? A visit to its lively souks should be high on your list. In Saudi Arabia, Al-Ula stands as a testament to ancient civilizations. This archaeological wonder is home to the Nabateans' spectacular tombs carved into sandstone. Many believe that these ruins are guarded by spirits, adding an air of mystery to this top beautiful place in Saudi Arabia. Discovering Al-Ula's secrets is truly stepping into a living myth. In the sands of Oman lies the lost city of Ubar, often dubbed the Atlantis of the sands. According to legend, this city was once a thriving trade hub that vanished beneath the desert's shifting sands. Archaeological efforts have brought parts of Ubar to light, but much remains hidden, making it an intriguing place of discovery and imagination. Muscat, the capital of Oman, offers an enchanting blend of ancient and modern. The majestic Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque stands as a symbol of Oman's rich heritage. Walk through its marble corridors and marvel at the world's second-largest chandelier, all while enjoying the tales of seafaring adventures that set sail from its shores. Wadi Rum, often described as the Valley of the Moon, transports you to another world. This spectacular desert landscape, with its towering rock formations, has inspired tales of ancient gods and interstellar travel, making it a captivating storybook of nature's artistry. Returning to Saudi Arabia, we uncover the ancient city of Mada'in Saleh. Once a sister city to Petra, its ornate tombs reveal stories of the Nabatean kingdom's grandeur. Walk among these ancient walls and let the whispers of history guide you on a fascinating journey. Ras al-Jinz in Oman is more than just a beautiful beach. It's a sanctuary for endangered green turtles. Watch as these magnificent creatures return to lay their eggs, a timeless dance that has captivated human imagination for generations. In Riyadh, the heart of Saudi Arabia, tradition meets innovation. Experience the city's vibrant cultural scene, where ancient stories and modern narratives collide, offering a glimpse into the Arabian Peninsula's dynamic future. The Arabian Peninsula is a mosaic of history, legend, and awe-inspiring beauty. From timeless ruins to bustling markets, each location offers a story waiting to be told. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.